Start by putting it on just like a regular jacket. Fasten the click belt. Make sure it's secured and tightened.
Vedi dietro? Sì, a sesta lo puoi fare.